Yes, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday the 6th of July 2018, and this video is just what I have done this morning on my trades. That being the daily charts on both the Mod MACD method and the high probability methods. A little bit of action this morning, a couple of new trades. Let's have a look at the charts. First, we'll just have a quick look at the news. For me, 7:30 p.m. local. There's the big ones out of Canada. Is their trade balance and employment figures, and probably the bigger one that affects most people is the non-farm employment change, or the unemployment rate out of the US. So that's tonight, 12 and a half hours away from me. For me, that's basically the end of my week once that happens. Let's move to the charts. Mod MACD first, we'll look at those. So this morning took a new buy on the pound Japanese yen. You can see it here, it's a higher risk trade towards the 240 LMA. Everything else is sweet. So look, it's been going a little bit sideways there. There's a bit of a base there, so it's not a bad trade. So we've taken that. That's the pound yen new buy trade. New Zealand yen. All I've done on this morning is move my stop on this sell trade. So I took a sell here, I've closed out half already, moved my stop down just to above the 25 SMA, just reducing my risk. That's at 76,235. That's on the New Zealand Japanese yen sell trade. Euro USD, taking a new buy trade on this morning. It's higher risk trade in towards the 240 LMA. And it's probably a bit of a higher risk trade too with the non-farm payrolls, because this is one pair that will be affected if any pairs are affected by that news. So it is a buy signal. I'm going to take it. Like the pound yen, it's a good base here. I think I'm already in a buy in the high probability. So yeah, I like that support level there. So we'll just see how that pans out. But that's the Euro USD. It's a new buy trade. New Zealand USD, I nearly missed this one this morning, and I haven't drawn any lines. No, it's not on this one. Sorry, my apologies. I took a buy trade in high probability, but I'll get into that. All I've done on this morning is move my stop on this sell trade. Took a sell here, I've already closed out half. Moved my stop down above the point of entry and above the 25 SMA down to the 69,396 level. So just reducing risk there. Alright, we'll just switch over to the high probability charts, daily high probability. Like I said, tonight that news, especially for day traders, I'd suggest you get out of that one. Always look at the Euro USD and just sit there and watch it when it happens, and open a 5-minute chart and mark where the entry was, where the price was at the news time release. And if there is a bounce with that pair, it's normally about 50 to 60 pips. That's just something to be aware of. Alright, here we are on the high probability daily charts. First one, Australian dollar, Aussie Canadian. In a sell here, all I've done is move my stop down to the 97491 level. The reason the stop's moved down is this new blue dot on the MACD Platinum. You can see possibility of bullish divergence forming. Blue dot there, that's half the battle. Obviously we need a green dot in the QMP filter to be confirmed, but we've got bullish JAGfx RD, so locking a little bit of profit there. AusCAD sell. New Zealand USD, this is the one I missed first time round, but I picked it up when I was doing my private trading. We're in a sell from up here somewhere. I've already closed one or half on that sell, and my stop for the sell is at this level here now. Now this morning I've taken a new buy trade. You can see we've got regular bullish divergence. That means prices continue down, as you can see by this green trend line, and in the meantime on the MACD Platinum it hasn't gone as low. So we've got a higher low on the MACD Platinum and a lower low on the price. So that's regular bullish divergence. So I've taken a buy here. My stop is down just below the low here, and so we've got a 0.01 sell and a 0.02 buy, so it's partially hedged there, but looks like a good setup. It is a high risk trade. We are against the MAs, so try and bring price up to those MAs at least. Pound CAD, I'm going to sell here. I've already closed half. All I've done this morning is move my stop down inside the point of entry, down to 174.530. The reason being is this looks like it's just going nowhere, and as you can see, the MACD is through the zero level, and it's even starting to sort of roll a little bit. You can see the blue dotted line and that orangey line just looks ugly, so all I'm doing is protecting a little bit of profit there, nothing more. That's the pound CAD. And finally the New Zealand CAD in a sell here. In this is a re-entry, so that's why there's a second line there. I sell here. I've already closed half. This morning there's a new QMP blue dot, and again, like the lost my train of thought there. Like the AusCAD, there's a possible bullish divergence forming. So the smart thing to do is just, I've already closed out half this trade, so I've just moved my stop down to this level here on the sell 90506. So that's all I've done this morning, moved my stop down. So that's it, guys. That's it for the trading this morning. NFP later today. Big one, will be a mover, normally is. Looks like the markets have been waiting for some sort of move anyway, so I'm thinking there will be some move. Sometimes it just fizzles out, but I don't think today will be that case. So just be aware of that and be on your toes. And I'll chat later, and if I don't speak to you sooner, enjoy your weekend. Cheers.